So today's video, I'm going to tell you about how to make your home more cohesive. So cohesive basically means everything sticking together. Everything in your home should be in coordination. The entire home should feel connected. Especially if you have a smaller space, smaller than 1500 to 2000 square feet, it's always a good idea to go cohesive. But if you have a bigger space, you may explore different styles in different rooms. So today I'm going to show you how you can make your house more cohesive with an example of how I have styled my house. So to begin with, the first step that you need to take is to understand your style. So my interior design style is very Scandinavian and chic. So the first thing that I did was that I made a mood board and put in all the materials, finishes, textures that I liked for my home. So while selecting the furniture of my home, I kept the theme in mind, and all the furniture in my home is very modern Scandinavian with the color scheme of greys, whites and blush pink. Another great benefit of having a cohesive home is that you can actually shift the furniture and home decor pieces from one room to another to give a new look every time. Since we're a small family of 3 using this house, buying accent chairs for every room actually felt like wasting space. So I have a pair of 2 green chairs which I keep shifting from one room to another, and it goes with my entire house. Then I have this grey and natural wood rocking chair which actually goes in both my bedrooms. And then I have these 4 chairs in 4 different prints which I keep using for my study, dining and sometimes put it in my bedroom too. So while building a cohesive home, all your decor needs to match up. So I selected a lot of cane vases, a lot of tropical plants, blush pink, and a hint of gold here and there. Mostly white decor, so everything in my house actually matches up, and I keep shifting my decor from one room to another, maintaining my style. The same follows for all my wall decor too. Again, while selecting all your furnishings, your cushion, rug, curtain, blinds, bed sheets, the same theme follows. While selecting the decorative light fixtures for your home, make sure that you follow a similar typology. While selecting all the metal which is involved in your home, it should be the same color too, like your wall decor, your handles, your light fixtures, CP fittings. In my case, it was all brass. So that was today's video about how you can make your home more cohesive. Let me know your views in the comment section below. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.